our initial idea was to potentially give a very end-to-end solution, right? The real pain point, which very ironically still exists today, like 7 years later, is that there were a lot of property portals and real estate aggregators, but they just show listings, right? They don't take account of enabling the transaction, which happens offline, typically directly with the landlord or, in most cases with the broker as well. Now, that's basically where the interaction, we felt there was a very big gap, right? Like you start online, immediately they put you in touch with the broker and pretty much house hunting happens offline and the broker is in charge of enabling the transaction, but these people are not trained. So we felt that's where the gap really was. And it's super easy to game the property portals, right? So brokers, they keep putting properties which simply do not exist in real life. Even if they do exist, they don't share the location or they don't put up the pictures. I think Housing.com had a very valiant entry into the industry. Like they were really trying to do something good. Unfortunately, they could not do whatever they set out to achieve. And here we are 7 years later, that problem still exists. You go to Magic Bricks, you go to No Broker, you go to 99acres, 50% of the properties don't exist, right? And it's such a bad experience from a customer standpoint that our thought was, let's actually tie it end to end, right? So let's make sure that for our customers, we give a portal which actually has active listings, which is verified by us. And we will do it offline as well, where we'll send out our agent to help them complete the transaction. So the thought was bundle the end-to-end ecosystem under one roof. Initially, the thought was let's not employ the agents. Let's maybe partner with existing agents so that they get a piece of technology. Not just that, but they get a new way of working, right? Like there are small agents spread all over the country. These guys are not really, no one's taught them how to work in an organized way. So we thought apart from the tech, let's do a little bit more. Let's try to put some processes around the industry. Let's train all of these agents, which is actually what is really required. And let's go to the market with a full stack solution. That's how we got started. It was working, I would say, reasonably okay. It was very difficult to convince existing agents to work in a radically new way than what they were used to. This was once again pre-Geo and pre-4G and everything. Internet was patchy all over the place, and as a real estate agent, you're almost always on the road. You never have access to Wi-Fi. Like that's not really a thing. So getting adoption on the app was also a little challenging. And that's when we realized that, we might have bitten off more than we can chew. And so this was about 2015 when we decided, let's maybe take a pause on that. And let's maybe look at some other sector within real estate itself, which might lead to something of a little more consequence. And that's how we actually launched Cozy Homes, which was, I would say, over time, it was a reasonable success.